Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Got some exciting news today. We are, if you can see it or not in the mirror, got pages at CFMoto ZForce 800 on the trailer, and we are headed to Costers where we bought the thing to take it back. One, to fix a couple warranty issues you probably saw videos on, but two, more importantly, to get it made street legal. If you've been living under a rock and you're in North Carolina and you don't know, you can now legally ride these things on the road on highways that are, you know, 2 lanes, 45 and under 4 lanes. I believe 55 mile an hour, 2 lanes. Don't quote me on that. There's a lot of resources out there. There's a lot of wrong information out there. But best I have read, that is correct. And hold on as I go through one of our many lovely traffic circles as I'm trying to film and drive. Anyway, should be a ton of fun. Tons of back roads around here, mountains to play in, tons of Forest Service stuff to access. So it isn't cheap. The only thing I have to have done to this one is I already had a windshield. I bought just a remote manual wiper, and so they're putting a turn signal kit on. It's quite expensive on this CFMoto, especially this particular model. I think there's about 7 hours labor involved. It's gonna run me over $1,000, but they will also, with that, fill out I believe it's an MV59 form, which you have to have, and once I get all that done, I gotta carry it to just a regular state inspector, get it inspected, and then they will actually take the paperwork for a small fee, obviously, to the tag office for me. Makes it even better because a lot of people have had trouble with the tag office when they go and they don't know what it is. This has been out since I think late October, early November when they started this. Kind of wanted to be pretty much the front of it because I excited to get it done and bring it to y'all on the channel, but wanted to let some people kind of figure the bugs out. I know a lot of people were getting charged the wrong tax to start with and getting refunds and this and that and the other. So hopefully everybody's kind of got it figured out now and it will go seamlessly. So let's go through all these roundabouts and we'll get her took down to Costers. He says it won't take long, so maybe, fingers crossed, today's Wednesday. It'd be amazing if I had it by the weekend, but I doubt it'll happen that quick, but we'll see. So stay tuned. All right, we just picked up the unit here at Costers. Got our windshield in. We already had put on, or already had. Got our our manual wiper on. Got a mirror on. I brought one regular car mirror and it wouldn't work, so had to buy one. So that was another $100 this morning, but that's cool. They gave me a deal on it actually. It was like 60 and stuck it on for free. So anyway, that was cool. They always take care of me here. And got some other stuff fixed that we've had some gripe videos about, so I'll put another video up about that with our seatbelt issue and our ignition issue and door issue. So we got all that straightened out. We got our turn signals in. It's a really trick kit. Works on a toggle switch. It's all integrated. If you're thinking about doing it yourself at home with some Amazon kit, don't. Pay the extra money and have it done the right way. I'm so glad I did. Got about $1,200 in it all. I'll post the exact bill up here in a little bit on the screen so y'all see, but definitely worth every penny. So we're headed to get it inspected, and then we'll drop the paperwork off with them. Part of the deal they take care of you here is they're going to actually take it to the tag office for me. I think it's like $100 for the dock fees or whatever they charge, but it's well worth that not to have to mess with it. Pick it up next week and be done. So let's get her inspected, then we'll get her home and get her unloaded, and I'll show you the changes, and then hopefully we will have a tag and be street legal in North Carolina. All right, inspection is complete. We have added windshield wiper, just went with the manual. Rearview mirror, went ahead and got the nice one, like I said. Read both things if you have to have that one, or if these count as rearview mirrors or not. We went ahead and done it anyway just for safety, and it's nice on the trail when you're got somebody riding behind you, as a kid or something too, you keep an eye on them. And boom, Turn signals. Turn. Well, oh yeah, there it is down there. Turn signal. And turn signal. Now we just wait for them to take the paperwork. Hopefully by Monday, we'll have us a tag. Alright, so we got to spend some time on the road today. Took it out for about 25 miles, went to the grocery store and back. A little bit of a round trip from where we live. We got to kind of hit the back roads and kind of backtrack to get to town. But it's cool. It's about a 15-minute ride to town. This thing is so much fun to be on the road with. Like, it's kind of like a motorcycle, but a little more safe, I guess. You can just see everything, take everything in, and you can see the whole countryside. It's a different experience. Definitely gets a lot of looks. Got some thumbs up, some crazy looks. So that's cool. Definitely looking forward to putting some more miles on this thing. A little worried about how the 800 would do on the road, but really 45 is about its sweet spot. So most of our roads around here are 45. It'll run up to 55, no problem. I was worried it was going to be pushing it pretty hard, but it's not. It's a cakewalk. Thing drives good, handles good. Takes a little bit of getting used to having that much suspension flex on the road, but once you get used to it and take a couple turns, it's fine. So definitely looking forward to putting some more miles on it. We're going to take some cool trips this summer. Got 3 or 4 more buddies that have got their street legal too, so looking to link up with them, film some stuff, hit some cool back roads, some on and off road stuff. Really take full advantage of having this thing street legal. So be sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Video's not over yet. I'm going to show you Jeremy's thoughts after his first drive here in just a second, and then we will finish my cruise and me and Paige's cruise around town. So here we go. So for the benefit of the users at home, how would you rate your first street legal side-by-side experience?
Well, to be honest, once you got on the back road,
It's not bad.
it's great. I liked it. Apparently my butt's talking. Now, the little bit from the, from the end of your road to the back road,
Which is actually in Mexico.
it's in Mexico, but it's scary. It's really sketchy. I don't know if it's just mental. I don't know.
Back road's pretty fun though.
Oh yeah.
How far'd you go?
Down about the same place you did. I
Jim
turned
Mary.
around right past that house that cuts their grass
Yeah.
on, whatever. I hit 67.
Did you?
Yeah.
Jesus, I didn't hold in that long.
Well, I hit 67 out here because I was trying to get off of it and didn't realize how fast I was going to look down. And it was
I didn't run it that fast.
Yeah,
So
I
that's
did.
good to know it'll do it.
It'll do it.
Huh.
I don't know about uphill.
It's so much different coming back up.
I don't know about uphill, but downhill or heading flat and then heading down
Yeah.
there, I looked down and it said 67. I had to let out.
She's a beast.
Or
Still
else I'm
that
gonna get a speeding
CFMoto.
ticket.
That'd have been funny. There you have it, folks. Jeremy's first impression on the road.
I like it.
out.